We have bus number 40. Again, Happy Family Day, MCA! Siya, Happy Family Day! Siya, Happy Family Day! Yeah, watch it movie.
So this is our tent for a slumber party in school. Me and my daughter din siya. And of course, dinocument ko rin ang budol fight na nangyari sa school. So in this video, I prepared hot dogs, a lot of hot dogs and okra for the potluck in school of my daughter. So nagluto ako dyan ng napakaraming hot dogs, 2 kilo at 2 kilo rin na okra para dalhin sa school nila. So, ang nangyari guys, may mga palaro, may mga kainan, may mga contest at during the foundation day din, nag-show sila ng talent. So, my daughter din, Shayray, played an instrument, nag-keyboard siya during sa MCA Get Talent. At eto na nga guys, nag-play na siya ng instrument. Actually, this is the first time na nag-play siya ng instrument sa public since nga may autism siya. So, meron siyang struggle na pagharap sa mga tao, especially sa mga social gathering. So, through the help of the therapy and exposure, most likely sa exposure siya nakuha talaga yung confidence niya to face the crowd. So I'm very happy that Shayray is slowly gaining her confidence through activities sa school. So mga awesome mommies at mga mommies na wala namang autism yung mga bata, mas maigi na ma-expose sila sa mga ganitong activities. Thank you for watching guys, and for more updates and videos, please like and subscribe to our channel para po sa updates. Thank you!